I was watching the Weather Channel, and we just staying across the way down there. All this snow, I can't get used to it.
That's where it starts.
Yeah, but it was, before it snows, it starts raining, and we're here in Texas when it rains a lot. How about a little Texas flood?
Dark clouds are rolling. Yes, I'm standing out in the rain. Dark clouds are rolling. Yes, I'm standing out in the rain. Well, floods, hurricanes, and tornadoes. You know Texas. You know Texas. Let me do it one more time. You know Texas will always be my home.